guys, it's Klara here. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick but effective look that you could do for Valentine's Day. First of all, I'm going to start with the Pro Palette number 3. This is a very universal matte eyeshadow. I already have my foundation and concealer on, so I look a bit blank. So using this palette, I'm going to draw in my brows. I'm just mixing a few of the brown shades. I'm just going to pop them on my brows. Extending the tail. So I like a bit of hair out here. And then I'm just filling in anywhere that's a bit sparse. For the front of the brow, I'm just brush upwards. Draw little hairs. It's not a big difference, but it does make you look more put together. Okay, I just finished my eyebrows. Now I'm going to go in and clean up my eyebrow. Now I'm going to go in with the CC Cream Foundation on a little concealer brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean my eyebrows. Okay, now that I've put that base on my eyes, now I'm just going to set it with this vanilla colour. Just placing it right onto my lid. Now I'm going to go in with this peachy shade as my transition colour on my crease. I'm just popping it right in there, and just doing wiping motion, window wiping motion. Just going to do a bobby pin. Cute. Now I'm going with this brown shade and popping it into my crease. Now with that same shade, I'm just popping it on my lower lash line. Now bringing it pretty low. I want to create that smoky look, so it looks sexy and seductive. Now I'm going in with the Paris palette, and I'm just going in with this nice shimmery shade right here on my finger. And I'm just placing it on the center of my lid. Then I'm just going back in with that blending eyeshadow brush and just blend it all. This just adds more dimension to the look and makes it look more sexy. Now with a small detailed brush and the darkest brown eyeshadow right here, I'm just going to use this as my eyeliner. Sometimes the traditional eyeliner is a bit too dark and bold. I just want something more subtle and smoky. Just using this shade to define my outer corners and my lash line. Now I'm just going to apply some of our Totally Lashed Out mascara on my top and bottom lashes. Now I'm just going to apply our Lala lashes in the style Baby Doll. Just like so. And then I'm just getting tweezers and adjusting the corners. Now I'm going to bronze my face with the Gold Digger palette. Just taking some of that onto the brush. Just applying it in a 3 motion. Now I'm just going to highlight my face with this middle shade. Just doing some above the forehead as well. Just doing some above the eyebrows. And a little bit on the center of the forehead. Now I'm just going to apply some of this rosy dusty pink on my cheeks. Now with that same highlight, I'm just popping it onto the center of my nose. Just blending that out. A little bit onto the bridge. And some on my brow bone. Now for lips, I'm going in with our Kiss Proof Lip number 16. Okay, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys do decide to try this look out, please tag us at Klara Cosmetics. And I hope you guys have a good Valentine's Day.